Now we will look at a very practical way of coding which is becoming very popular. This is called the responsive design style. By responsive, one would suggest that your website will be responding to the changes that it sees in the screen where it is being served. So we have a responsive design. Now let us look at some examples. As you can see in this article, they are predicting that the year 2013 is going to be the year of responsive web design. This itself suggests that it is a new style of web design which has not yet been completely adopted, but in 2013 it is going to be adopted very widely. So here we see they're talking about why they think that responsive web design is going to be the in thing in 2013. You can go through this example and read about what they have to say. The whole idea of responsive design came from the fact that now people does not use only one form factor for viewing websites. Earlier it used to be a PC or a laptop. Right now you have PCs, laptops, tablets and smartphones. Even smartphones have a lot of different sizes with screens ranging from 400 pixels to 2000 pixels. So that's a huge range of pixel sizes that the website has to cater to, but still it has to look good and serve its functions in a nice way. So let us look at some examples. So here we have some examples of responsive design. Now they have given some screenshots, but what we can do is just click on them to go to the actual website to see how responsive it is. As you can see, the layout and even the pictures are changing based on what is the size of the display area. As such, it is a fairly crowded website, but as we can see, they have done a fantastic job of actually changing the layout to suit different screen sizes. This is a very good example of a responsive website. Even though it is not minimalist, but there is a lot of content, but still it is very responsive. Usually responsive websites are fairly minimalist. So let us look at other example which might be a bit different. So let us look at this one. This seems to be a fairly minimalist website. Yes, it has some aspects of minimalism and skeuomorphism and flat design too. This is fairly interesting. So let us see how it changes itself. There you go. Here they have followed a different style. The top image remains the same, but I think the lower elements change. Yeah, you see, they adjust themselves nicely as the amount of space is reduced. So this will give you a very good idea of what a responsive design is.